วัสดีครับ
ขอบคุณนะคะ
เดี๋ยวตามไปในห้องสื่อได้เลยนะ
それは内面の三宝に至るために私たち自身の心を何も考えない一点、つまり体の中心に静止させること。
The third master is the most venerable Dhammachayo, the president of Wat Phra Dhammakaya temple. He masters in Dhammakaya meditation practice and also teaches Dhamma to people all over the world. Yes. Still 43 years old, but is still looking nice. It does not much require maintenance, and it has been like a renovation because of our concept of the
4-5-6 ยุคแล้วค่ะเรียนเชิญเลยนะคะอาหารจะไม่ครบถ้วนนะคะขอความร่วมมือเวลา1-2-3เลยค่ะจุดบริการอาหารค่ะ
ผักบุ้งไฟแดงไม่มี
เอาไหม
เชิญราย1ราย2เราจะเติมอาหารเฉพาะของรายแรกเท่านั้นนะคะเชิญราย
and the food and the clothes is not good. This the food because the food is from the inside. by engraving his or her name onto the base of the Lord Buddha. Yes. Okay, like this. And at the dome that you see, yeah, it's a place by the Buddha statue is what cast from pure silver, 14 ton of pure silver. Yes, and enshrined with the relics of the Lord Buddha and other many objects. Yeah, securely kept. Yes. And the size of the Buddha statue and hands and wise is like a 18 centimeters. Yes. Okay. And this is when you see it's like a very huge. Yes, the area. But when we have a big ceremony, it's quite small, right? Because so many people come here and meditate together here. And this is like the event of lady mass like a mass ordination for lady. Yes, 10,000, like a 10,000, 100,000. Yeah. Okay, this is like a highlight of our ceremony. Yes, on Makabusha Day. Yeah, people from over the world can join this ceremony. Yes, for next year is the 8th of February. Yeah, Saturday. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we hold the light of peace together. Yeah, in the evening. But in the morning we will offering meal to monk here too. Yes. Yeah. Okay. And the like the 1 million Lord Buddha statue on the pagoda sit in meditation or peace position. This is the symbol represent the embodiment of unity and love for all mankind. Yes. Every year we hold the light of peace every year as an event that people from all over the world can join together and gather around to find the inner peace together here. Yes, because our belief that if 1 million people come here and meditate at the same time, it will be change the world to be a better place together by inner peace. Yes, and I would like to invite both of you to join this ceremony too. Yes. Okay. And yes, this is a virtue of like a student. Yes, V-Star projects. Yes. There are 500,000 students come here. Yes, to do meditate and so many activity for them. Like a discipline, respect, and train their mind with meditation and morality. Yes. And this is the idol. And then we say it's maybe it's really good for you. Yes. My son joined this project too. Yes, for 45 days. Yeah, in this project. Okay, there's some activity like a social welfare. Yes, that we do it, continue to do it more than 10 years. Yeah. Okay. Would you like to pay respect here? Oh, little monk. Oh, so lovely. So cute. Yeah. Your turn. Would you like to pay respect here or?
Yeah, I want to go over there.
Yes. thumbprint and the name of the donator who donate for to catch a meditation square. Yes, this is easily to make them to recognize their merit is yes. Okay, and when the people come here, whether there are so many people, yeah, they can sit it one by one, yeah, for meditate.
I'm doing about 52.
Oh, really?
He's my family. Yeah, it's like just only golden area. Now the monk will like cleaning and like a place the gold. Yeah, it will make them like more bright.
จะตัดดอกไม้เซตแรกเพื่อนำไปปลีกกีบแล้วก็เก็บไว้เพื่อรับพระในวันที่2นะคะก็สามารถท่านใดยังไม่รีบกลับหรือว่าอยู่